This is my go-to soft glam when I want to look put together but not overdone. I'm getting ready for a friend's wedding celebration, so let's do this makeup look from scratch. I went on to Pinterest. This is what I have taken as my reference. I'm gonna start off with some moisturizer because if your base is good, then your makeup is gonna set really well. I'm using the Cetaphil moisturizer for this. As you can see, I'm very well moisturized. I usually start off with my brows. They're a little thin, so I like to fill them in. As you can see, my eyebrows are done and I'm gonna start with my base. I'll keep the base really light. I don't want to feel too heavy. Time for foundation right now. I'm putting it directly on my skin. I'm gonna blend later using the brush, of course, but I'm just gonna put on my skin first. I'm using a brush like this to blend the entire foundation on my face out. I'm taking a little more foundation to put around my eyes because I've not had sleep for some time. I don't want to look like I did not get any sleep, so I've put more foundation around my eye area. This is my Benefit Cosmetics Boieeing Concealer. This is my holy grail when it comes to concealer, and I honestly feel like concealer is so important. It really makes or breaks your look. Not kidding. It's literally so important. You need to put a little bit on your forehead and a little on the chin, a little here and a little there. I know it looks crazy, but I'm gonna blend it out using a flat brush like this. Concealer is so important. It makes your makeup look snatched. You actually look ready after you've put your concealer on at the right spots. I'm gonna recreate this exact same look on this eye. I'm gonna go in with this color at the corner of my eye at first. So taking a little bit of that. Taking a little bit more and applying it like that. Next, I'm going in with a flatter brush like this one and putting this color on, this one. Taking a little bit like that and putting it right below. And I'm leaving the center of my eye empty so that I can go in with the glitter. Before using any glitter, I'm using the same brush to apply it below my eyes like this. Alright, time for the glitter. So I'm using this glitter, taking a lot of it and applying it on the center like this. Glitter is what is going to totally transform this eyeshadow look. Make sure you're being very generous with this glitter because this is what is going to make your eyeshadow look like it's popping. The eyeshadow look is done. I'm gonna curl my lashes before putting any mascara on it. Honestly, bottom lashes are always so tricky. Time for blush, which is going to bring in the entire look together. I'm using this blush, a powder blush today. I usually use cream blush, but for this look today, I wanted to switch things up and use a powdered blush. Alright, my entire look is coming together. Before I do my lip combo, I want to put my jewelry on. And for today, I'm using cute little earrings, which are very minimal. And in fact, they're actually a gift that I recently got from my boyfriend. This is what I got as a gift. It's from Swarovski. And I have not worn this outside even once. This is the first time I wear it outside. And I am running late, but this looks beautiful. I'm so excited. I want to put this on really quick. The earrings look so cute. I'm so happy. These are my Swarovski earrings. This is my first Swarovski, so I've never owned a pair before, and this looks very cute, I think. So excited to put this on camera for the first time. This is my outfit, and tell me how I look. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the best lip combo that I have come across recently. Honestly, this lip combo is insane. Hold up, I'm gonna line my lips quickly. I'm gonna go in with this YSL lipstick at first. This is the shade YSL The Inks Blur 231 Rosewood Emotion. Next, I'm going in with the Dior Lip Glow Oil. Adding black kohl to my waterline to complete the look, and dabbing compact under my eyes to set my eye look. The look for tonight is ready. Just arrived at the location, and this is how I look. These are the two sweethearts who are getting married. Today is actually their wedding reception. I'm an influencer marketer, and both of them are influencers. She is a TV serial actress, and we have worked together on many brand collaborations. This is my old boss or manager from my previous company. She's the reason why I know this couple. Now I'm gonna go have dinner, so let's see if my lip combo survives this delicious plate of food. Here's how my lipstick looks after I finish dinner. It's almost gone. They were doing a little photo shoot in between their reception, which is so cool, I think. And that's it for the night. Thank you for watching this Get Ready With Me come vlog. I'm so happy that I got to unbox my Swarovski gift from my boyfriend for the first time on video. For more such Get Ready With Me tutorials, honest reviews and vlogs, keep watching my channel and subscribe. I'd love to see you around. Until next time, bye.